For today's friendly know-how, I'll show you kung paano kumuha or mag-order ng GCash card. In this channel pala, I'm creating videos about helpful tips and basic how-tos. Help me promote my channel by liking and subscribing. First, ano ba ang GCash card? GCash card is a prepaid debit card linked to your GCash account offering a range of benefits. You can use it to manage your funds, pay globally, and withdraw cash easily. To avail GCash card, open mo lang ang app mo and then select cards. Then, piliin ang order a card. Then, send me a card. At the time of the recording, buy in store is currently unavailable. Be reminded that you need to pay 250 pesos para di sa GCash card. Fill out the delivery information such as your name and delivery address. Scroll down and confirm. I-check yung terms and condition and then confirm. Click OK. And then click confirm. Then pay 250 pesos and then proceed, and there you go, order was successful. Your card will be delivered soon. For NCR it is 4 to 6 business days, for Luzon 6 to 8 business days, for Vismin 8 to 10 business days. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and share. Also subscribe. Thank you for watching.